Hey guys, so wanted to talk to you guys about something I've been working on a little bit. It's not done yet, but will be sooner than later, hopefully anyway. I'm in the part of the reason that I've been putting a hold on the website. This is part of the reason. I've been working on a couple of courses, so engine rebuild courses. So I'm working on 3 different ones right now. One was 12 valve one, 5.9 common rail, 6.7 common rail. Now, basically what the courses consist of is a how to use the tools for checking and rebuilding, not the machining side of things. I am going to show the machining side of things on some of it, the in-depth part of the machining for you guys that are interested, but it'll be only like on one valve seat, one cylinder, that type of thing, because I realize most of you guys that are rebuilding these things are not at a machine shop, so you don't really need to know how to run the equipment, but to understand how the equipment works, so that when you go in and talk to your machinist, or the machinist is doing the work for you, you can talk to them in terms that they understand, and then terms that they talk to you about, you will understand. I just wanted to, because I get that all the time with guys and they don't know what they're asking for or want. So I was hoping that the course, so this course will be able to help you guys, or help whoever purchases it, with that information. I am going to do some free content with it, but from what I've found is when you go in depth into the information, a lot of guys don't want to see the in-depth information unless they're actually doing it. So the course will consist of how to measure stuff, how to set up your measuring equipment, how to measure, all your bores in depth, and oil clearances and all that type of stuff that I use. And then also it will come with a PDF, printable information sheet. So all of your specs, piston to wall clearance, oil clearances, valve recession, protrusion, piston protrusion, like all of that stuff. It will come with all of that. And then I will also list the tools that we're using in the course. In the course, it will be links in there for that as well. So if you guys want to buy those tools, some of them will be affiliate links, some of them won't. Is what it is. Not that I make, you don't really make much money off that little bit of affiliate stuff, but just so that I know that you guys are getting, with me putting it in there like that, then the tools that I'm recommending to use, if you want to buy them, then you can click the link. But I just wanted you to guys, to understand as far as that goes. But the question that I have for you guys, so eventually I'm probably going to do, I would say probably 6 or 7 different courses. To start with, I'm going to be doing the Cummins ones. I will be probably working with a couple other people that I know to do some other courses, whether it be, I think probably an LS course, the later gen Hemi course for rebuilding those. And also I will be putting in there for you guys that are doing it at home, that per se don't have the budget to do a full, all new everything kind of idea. I'll show you how to check it so that if it's within spec, and how to do it at home as well in the same course. So you'll be able to check it, and then it'll be kind of a a branch kind of idea of, I can do this at home. This, you go this way. If I need to take it in the machine shop, kind of go this way. But all the information will be there in each course, regardless. But what I wanted to know from you guys, is this something that you guys are interested in? I will be doing it because I have had enough interest of people actually asking me about it over the course of the last few years. I'm going to make the course regardless, but I'm going to offer it to the guys, you guys on YouTube first as a pre-sale before it launches. The price I haven't knocked down just yet, exactly how much it's going to be. It's going to be between $200 and $250 per course. And if you purchase more than one course at one time, then you will get a discount. Obviously, to start with, there won't be a bunch of courses, but if you were to purchase more courses, it'll be cheaper, because then you get a bulk discount, I guess you would say. But just let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I want to know if it's something that you guys are interested on in pre-sale. And if you are, just let me know down in the description. And if there is anything that you would want me to do as far as a course, maybe header or guideline or something like that, I will talk more about it when it is live. But I wanted, a little bit of information. I will be basically a short little tidbit on it, I guess. I'm going to show how to use measuring tools, which measuring tools I use, how to check all the clearances. Like I said, this will be in-depth, real-time stuff. So to the average person that's not going to do that, it would be boring information. But for you guys that actually want to rebuild the engine or want to learn how to, you don't even have to rebuild it, I guess, when it comes down to it. Just if you want to have the information to rebuild an engine, some of it will be universal information, some of it won't, some of it will be, Cummins or, LS or whatever it may be, information only, but just to give you guys an idea. So, like I said, let me know down in the description what you guys, or in the description, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you're interested in the pre-sale, when the pre-sale is ready, like I said, I will be, the guys on YouTube, you will be getting a discount if you guys are interested in having a discount on a pre-sale. And then I will be doing a pre-sale, probably, it'll be going live everywhere, the pre-sale at the same time. So it'll be on YouTube, it'll be on Facebook, it'll be on a bunch of stuff. And I am also working on trying to find somebody to help me with working on social media stuff, so that I have too much on the go. Like I've been talking before, I got too much on the go to be able to do everything myself. So I'm working on trying to delegate some of that stuff to some other people. But I am working on trying to get somebody to run my social media stuff for me, so that there's more content coming out, and all that type of stuff. So anyways, let me know what you think. And remember, it's not rocket science.